What's going on, everybody? Steadicam Productions here, and today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips while using a Steadicam. So, without further talking, let's get into the video. Tip number 1. When walking with a Steadicam, make the movements of your leg less so you won't move up and down. Also, when the foot touches the floor, let the back of your foot touch first and then slowly let the front foot move down as you move forward. Here's a comparison shot of with and without using this tip. Tip number 2. Use a wide prime lens for the best effect when it comes to stabilization. If you don't have a wide prime lens, a kit lens will work, but make sure you have OIS turned off, as most kit lenses included has OIS. Having OIS on with a Steadicam will confuse the lens stabilizer and can actually make your footage look more shaky. Tip number 3. If you want cool low-angle shots with your Steadicam, you can achieve it by holding the camera upside down, like this, and then later flip the video over in post-production. Here are some shots filmed with the Steadicam upside down. Tip number 4. Adding a ball head to your Steadicam is not a bad idea. It will allow you to control the angles of your shots while being able to balance your camera neutrally. Here are some cool shots you can get with a ball head on the Steadicam. Tip number 5. You can fake a drone shot by having the camera pointed downwards with a ball head and then balancing the system. If you walk over a balcony and follow a person, you can fake a drone shot. Anyways, that's it for this episode of Steadicam Productions. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time with another video.